Good afternoon. Today is July 27th, 2021. Once in a while, I would walk in a forest just by myself, listening to birds chirping, leaves rustling, winds blowing, and water splashing. Just spend a day in nature. Sometimes we may be tired for our work, anxious for the city's noise, people shouting, cars passing by. It is important to work hard. It's equally important to take a break away from your work. Take care of your mental health. Enjoy a peaceful day just listening to the sound of nature. Spending time in nature can reduce your stress, lower your blood pressure, and improve your mood. After you come back from nature, you feel refreshed, you reset your mind, you inspired your spirit, you are fully recharged, and you have become a new person. That's absolutely amazing. That's why we need to be in nature and explore nature. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for my friend's video. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.